Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Roblox PEGI content rating system. So Roblox uses a comprehensive content maturity system which maps to global standards like PEGI and ESRB to label experiences based on content rather than just age. So the system now uses categories like minimal, mild, or moderate, and restricted, ensuring users can make informed choices. Parents can control what experience their children can access by simply setting maturity filters. So simply tap on the top left triple icon, click on settings, and this is where you want to click on parental control. And this is where you will find content restrictions, where you can adjust the slider to maximum maturity level allowed for the account. You can also do it on your own account by heading into privacy and content restriction and go to content maturity and do it on your own as well. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.